In this short video, we'll see how you can take a WordPress site and then use aMember membership script to control the navigation menu choices. And to start off, it all happens here on the page. So if you want to be using pretty much page-based material, I've got one over here that we use as a demo. This is called Automotive Educators Homepage. This is a page that is the homepage for automotive educators, which I am restricting access to just them. And so we go to this page and come down. We'll see we have applied some protection settings in the aMember protection settings block. We have set it to where they have to be have the product educator area to see this page. And then we actually control what's going to happen if they do not have access to that, based on if they're a guest or a user. It's this section here in the center. But we're going to focus right now on this next section at the very bottom, menu item protection for post and page links. This is where we can actually hide or show a menu item, a page when it's placed on the menu, and have the behavior different for a guest or a user. So you can see that we can hide or show that page on the menu based on settings right here. So in this case, you'll see that I'm going to exclude the and not want to show the page in the menu to either a guest or actually a user. A user would be someone that's logged in but does not have an active subscription to educator area. So that's how we set that up. And then just a quick look at menus under appearance. This is all based on you using the custom menu utility that's part of WordPress 3.0 and forward. And you also have to have a theme that supports this. And if you're not using a theme that supports custom menus, you need to take care of that right now. That's just, you're old school in it, and you need to be using this technique to build your menus, and then you can turn around and control your menus. So we'll see. This is you can have any number of menus, and you build more menus. Right now we're looking at the main menu. This is what's going to go across my primary navigation, meaning the top nav bar. And so you'll see when you build a menu, you can go over here and take any page you've created. You can take categories. You can have custom URLs, and you can build them and move them into the menu. And this is showing sub-menus. It's going to fly out when I hover over web links. And here's the page we're looking at earlier, educators area. I've taken and added that page to the right-hand side, the far right-hand side. So now let me log off and show you what it looks like from the front end. Okay, this is the front end of the site. You'll notice to the right of About DLP, there is no menu. There's nothing to the right. And so we'll log in with a test account that has an active subscription to educator area. This is log in. Now we see educator area added to the far right side of the navigation bar. And if I click on that, it's going to take us to the Automotive Educators homepage. These are all pages that I want to have restricted. So each one of these pages also has aMember protection on it. These all require you to be have access to Automotive Educators area. So if they happen to know the URL, they still can't hit it. But you won't even have a link to the starting point unless you log in as with an active subscription to educator area. So come back over here and we log out. It goes away. As you can see, you can do some very, very elaborate stuff with that. You can also build menus and put them into sidebar widgets. They are menu widgets, so you can actually have sidebar navigation with items that are hidden and shown based on a person's subscriptions.